Okay, so in this video we are going to learn how to apply this equation and do the pertinent calculations. For example, if you're asked to apply this equation for a length equal to 0.2 meters, as you see here, and therefore the calculation will be 2 pi times the square root of the length, which will be substituted by 0.2 meter, the value we selected for the length, over g, the acceleration due to gravity. Now, how can we input this calculation into the calculator? Okay, now using any TI calculators, and all TI calculators look the same here. You'll start inputting the values. First, you multiply 2 by the value of pi. Pi is 3.14, or if you want to write the exact value, you can see pi is here. So you can click second, and then click on this, press here. So this will give you pi. Then you have to time it by the square root. So now we have to multiply, and then we'll open the square root. So multiply. As you see, the square root is here. So we have to press second. Then this press here, where the square root is located. This will open parentheses. We'll input 0.2 divided by 9.8, as you see here. Then we'll close the parentheses and click enter, and you can see the answer is 0.897 as you expect here, which we rounded off to 0.90. Now suppose the second value was 0.3. Suppose the length is 0.3. And that's, by the way, not part of the lab. 0.3 will not be part of the calculation. Go 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. But let's go with 0.3 here. So you do the same thing, 2 times pi, press second, then this is the pi here, times the square root, we'll open the square root, so press second, and open the square root, then 0.3 divided by 9.8, close the parentheses, and press enter, and this will give you the value for 2 pi times the square root of 0.3 divided by 9.8. You can do it for 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and 1. All right, hopefully you find this video educational. Thank you.